How to crop videos in CapCut. So to start, we'll have to open our CapCut application, and then in here we'll have to tap on this new project option. After that, we'll have to select a video that we're going to edit. As an example, I'm gonna select this one, and then after that, tap on the add option. In here, before I start editing, I usually delete first the watermark. To do that, we'll have to scroll here and then tap on the watermark and then tap on delete. After that, we'll have to select on the video, and then in here we'll have to scroll and then look for this option edit. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, tap on the crop option. In here, you will be given different ways on how you can crop your video. But as for me, I use this free option so I can customize and crop the video. But you can still use any of these ways on how to crop your video. Once you're done cropping the video, simply tap on the check mark. And as you can see, the video is automatically cropped. And then after that, when you're done editing the video and you want to save it, all we need to do is to tap on this arrow icon to export and save the video into our gallery. So that's how easy we can crop a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!